everyone, welcome to the third episode of Ease of Cooking with Ruchikootu. Today we are back with another breakfast recipe, Kerala Puttu. Regardless of where you're from, you must have tasted Kerala Puttu at least once in your lifetime and must have also fallen in love with this simple dish. There are different variants of puttu such as ragi, semolina, wheat, rice, etc. And today, in this video, we'll learn how to prepare one of the variants of puttu. Rice puttu, also called ariput in Kerala. And don't worry guys, if you do not have the puttu maker at your homes, in this video you will see the best alternative that is available without having to incur any additional expenses. So let's get started. To make rice puttu, take a cup of rice flour, add a quarter of teaspoon of salt, pour a quarter cup of water and mix it well. Please avoid pouring a lot of water that will turn the flour into a slurry. Now take a pressure cooker of any volume that you have. Here we are using a 2-liter pressure cooker. Fill half of the capacity of the cooker with water and close it with the lid without the whistle on. Heat it on medium flame. Now take a clean coconut shell with a hole on it, like in the video, so that it can be placed on the vent pipe of the cooker. Now fill the coconut shell with some grated coconut, mixed rice flour, and layer it again with grated coconut. Place it carefully on the vent pipe of the cooker. Cover the coconut shell with the lid. Leave it to cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. We are now back after 10 minutes and our puttu is ready. Here we are serving it with black chickpeas curry or kadla curry, one of the best breakfast combos. Try the simple dish and tell us what you think about it. Thank you for watching the video, and if you liked it, please do like, share and comment. Also, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications about our future videos. See you soon with another video. Until then, bye.